Hello, I'm Cliona from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Eton Dining Table. This is a sleek dining table with a contemporary look. The Eton features a leather look ceramic tabletop. Ceramics are known for their durability as they are scratch resistant, heat resistant and can withstand daily wear and tear. This makes the Eton a great option for any busy-bodied households. You will have no problem pairing this table with other furniture as it's designed in this deep brown colour. This is contrasted with black curved powder-coated legs. Both legs feature a striking fluting design. The Eton extends smoothly to accommodate more guests at the table. When fully extended, the Eton measures 250 centimetres in length. The Eton dining table would make a stunning centrepiece to any minimal space. You can shop the Eton Dining Table today by adding to cart now, or you can pop into one of our stores.